Muli po, ako si Dr. Grace Carol Beltran, ang inyong dermatologist, genetologist, aesthetic, and dermatologic surgeon. Statement is natural ingredients are always better than synthetic ones, no? Well, there may be some natural ingredients that are sometimes effective or better, but not all the time. Kaya yung word na always is not the one that is not correct. Like for example, yung rosehip oil, yung green tea, it may be better or safer, but not always. In fact, ang synthetic products, sabihin na natin na much better. Kasi bakit much better? Kasi they are tested and trials that are done para magpaalam natin na ito ay talagang safe and efficacious. They are also accurately formulated. Kasi hindi yung kagaya ng natural product na pag na-expose mo lang ng 5 minutes na wala sa refrigerator, pwede magbago ang kanilang mga acidity, ang kanilang absorbability. So, ayun. Yung pangalawang myth, oily skin does not require a moisturizer. Well, before, I used to believe in this, no? Na kapag oily ka, you don't need a moisturizer. But, actually, when you are oily, you will still need a moisturizer, but you have to choose your moisturizer. Dapat ito ay water-based or in a gel form para hindi dapat oil-based. Kasi pag oil-based, lalo talagang magugulas-ulas yung mukha, magkakapimple ka pa. So, when you are oily, doesn't mean that you really don't need to moisturize. Sometimes you also need to moisturize para hindi ka magkaroon ng negative feedback sa brain para ang brain mo magsasabi sa skin mo na mag-produce ng more oil pa. So the drier you are, the more oils are produced in your skin. Kaya when you apply a moisturizer, you prevent more oils being produced on the skin. Third is, products that cost more works better. Well, this is not really true. Kasi there are some products that even if they are cheaper, they work better kasi it's a matter of formulation. Combination of the active ingredient, the vehicle, and the effectivity of the product on your type of skin. So, hindi naman kailangan na mas mahal, ay mas effective kumpara dun sa mura. Meron din mura na mas maganda, mas effective. So, it's a matter of choosing the right products lang po. Usually, dapat it is formulated or tested by a dermatologist. Kaya for me, mas maganda talaga yung ibang products. Not necessarily more expensive, but it should fit your type of skin. So, if you have more questions that you want to be verified, just call my numbers. And please like, follow, and share my account.